Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete friends on Venmo and clean up that cluttered list of old contacts. Venmo automatically adds people from your phone contacts or Facebook friends, which can lead to a long list of connections, including people you probably haven't talked to in years. To start, open the Venmo app on your phone and go to your profile. You'll see a number showing how many friends you have. Tap on that number and it'll open a contact-style list of everyone you're connected with on Venmo. Unfortunately, there's no way to mass delete or unfriend multiple people at once, so you'll need to remove them one by one. To do that, tap on the person's name to open their profile. Under their profile picture, you'll see a button that says Friends. Tap on it, and a small menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Then just hit Unfriend that person. Will immediately be removed from your Venmo friends list. You can repeat this process for as many people as you want. Maybe old classmates, coworkers you don't talk to anymore, or anyone you don't want seeing your Venmo activity. It might take a little time, but it's worth it if you want a cleaner, more private friends list. Once you're done, your Venmo will feel much more personal and secure, showing only the people you actually still interact with.